Yeah. They told us our words were backward. They told us our names were too hard. They told us wisdom must sound foreign before the world would call it smart. But grandma still remembers, grandfather still knows the song. And the language they tried to bury has been alive all along. They took the child from the village, put a foreign book in his hand, told him speak like your master if you want to be a man. They laughed at his mother tongue, they mocked his father's name, made him feel small in the classroom for carrying ancestral flame. They said the proverb was primitive, they said the drum had no mind. But before their schools were standing, our elders were teaching time. Grandma spoke in deep rivers, every word carried seed. She did not need a certificate to know what the children need. She said a tree without roots will fall when the storm is high. But we were busy chasing accents while our own truth passed us by. Now a child can name the cities in countries across the sea, but cannot greet his own elder in the language of his family. That is not progress, my people. That is memory under attack. When you lose the voice of home, you spend your whole life looking back. They try to bury the language, but grandma still speaks in fire. Every word from the ancestors lifts the soul a little higher. They tried to shame the names we carry, but the names still hold the key. If you lose your mother tongue, you lose a part of memory. Speak it again, teach it again, sing it again, reach it again. They try to bury the language, but the roots still breathe beneath. I have seen men change their names just to fit inside a room, cut the sound of their beginning, then wonder why they feel consumed. I have seen women hide their wisdom because the world call it old, but the songs they learned from mothers still carried more than gold. Who told us English is intelligence? Who told us French makes us wise? A borrowed tongue can open doors, but your own tongue opens eyes. Let the child learn the word, but do not steal his ground. Let him speak with many nations, but know his village sound. Because language is not only speaking, it is how our people pray. It is how they bury sorrow, it is how they name the day. It is jokes around the fire, it is warnings in the rain. It is blessings from old aunties, it is medicine for pain. So parents carry responsibility. Do not let the chain continue. Teach the child where he comes from before the world renames him new. Leaders, stop the empty speeches. Put our languages in school. A nation ashamed of its own voice will always be another man's tool. They try to bury the language, but grandma still speaks in fire. Every word from the ancestors lifts the soul a little higher. They try to shame the names we carry, but the names still hold the key. If you lose your mother tongue, you lose a part of memory. Speak it again, teach it again, sing it again, reach it again. They try to bury the language, but the roots still breathe beneath. hate the foreign language. Wisdom can travel wide, but never use another tongue to murder what lives inside. A humble heart can learn the world and still respect its own. The river can meet the ocean without forgetting home. Call your child by a name with meaning. Teach the proverb and the song. Let the stories find the table before the elders are gone. They try to bury the language, but grandma still speaks in fire. Every word from the ancestors lifts the soul a little higher. They try to silence memory, but the drum still knows the beat. They try to cut the ancient tree, but the roots stayed under feet. Speak it again, teach it again, sing it again, reach it again. They try to bury the language, but the soul still knows its speech. Yeah, your language is not shame, your name is not too hard, your proverb is not backward, your grandmother was not empty. Restore the language, restore the memory, restore the identity, restore the people. The language they try to bury is still breathing in us.